Hi everyone, my name is Mipo Latoya, and together with Sabayo Mirna, we have worked on a project. For Modulo 14, that is called Action Research, we had to do a project, and the topic of our project is children with reading problems in the primary school. The problem the problem is that reading is one of the basic skills that children must learn in their early age. Reading means for language acquisition, for communication, and sharing information and ideas with others. A quarter to third of the pupils from grade 3 to 8 of the primary school appear to be weak readers. These students therefore have great difficulty in independently reading and processing text. Technical reading problems here mean as if it were problems with reading comprehension. Because the students have a reading problem, the performance of the student is low. And if such a child passed to the next year class, there will still be a reading delay. Why? Because the classes are large in most cases. The teacher does not have enough time to guide a weak reader, and in the long run, the child can become disappointed that he or she cannot read well, and then the child may be not motivated to read, and eventually you will have dropouts. To have a good reading comprehension, you first have to pay attention, then analyze the content. The next step is to formulate the answers, but you must try to avoid making mistakes or try to avoid making assumptions. You also have to make notes. If you follow all these steps properly, then reading comprehensions will be easy for you. That is why our research question is, what practical practical reading techniques can teachers or parents use to guide children with a reading delay? We started our investigation by searching for background information of the students. We tried to analyze three reading problems. One can be lack of cognitive abilities, word recognition, fluency, and we try to understand how what's the different what different kinds of reading methods can you see by the children. For example, do they read social studies like science? Do they have lack to ability to stick with a difficult text? And lack of stamina to find or complete a text. We also did an online survey, and the online survey we did one for the teacher and one for the parents. We we did our presentation of the project at two locations. The first one is at the school. The school is called OS2 Marawena Project, and that is a primary school. We also did our research at the Lacy Coney Foundation. The Lacy Coney Foundation is a foundation that supports children with reading difficulties. The foundation that has just been established. The study is about reading problems in the primary school, and we worked together with the students of grade 3 to grade 5. And in this study, we have 3 teachers and 19 students of the OS2A Marawena project. We also have 3 supervisors and 17 students of the Lacy Coney Foundation. They were willing to participate in this research. We also did an observation. After our observation, we noticed that the children of OS2 Marawena project, they cannot spell well. They are not motivated. They have an inferiority complex, and they have also a recommended reading. The children of the foundation Lazy Connie, they had a recommended reading. Spell, they spell well, but they cannot put the words together. Performance anxiety, and they're not reading comprehension. We made a table from the children of OS3 Maroena. As you see, we have three types of readers from grade 3 to 5. In grade 3, we have 8 weak readers, 7 moderate, and the rest are good readers. In group 4, we have 7 weak readers, 8 moderate, and 8 good readers. In grade 5, we have 3 weak readers, 7 moderate, and 8 good readers. How come the students of OS3 Marawena project have a reading problem? As we look at the background of the bad readers, we have noticed that poverty plays a major role among these children. They are also weak students, they are not serious in class, and most of the students come from a one-parent family. Also, the classrooms are small, and there is not enough practice with students who are weak. The mother language also plays a role. That's why they do not speak and understand the Dutch language well. The goal of our project is the aim of the research. The aim of the research to find out how the skills of the teachers and supervisors can be improved so that they can better recognize and guide the students. These are some pictures of the methods we use. We made a word tree. In the word tree, the children must put words together. We also use a letterbox and one with pictures. The first week we observed the children from OS3 Marawena. We did a word dictation with them. This was the result of that. Here we noticed that they are very weak in recognizing the sounds. We didn't have pictures from the Stichting Lazy Connie because we didn't get permission to make pictures and videos. That's why we didn't put pictures of the foundation. After conducting the research, we have come to the following conclusion that the poor reading performance is the result of the parents rarely or never practice at home with the students. In addition to school, parental guidance is also important. Most of the children speak their mother language or the Sranantongo. They do not understand and speak the Dutch language well. Also, they have fear to make mistakes and also to be laughed at. The students read little because they are more concerned with social media and gaming. There is no reading motivation, adequate reading material, and the motivation of the teacher is lack. Parents who are not educated can also not help their children either. Um, Thank you.